come on! Shiver me cheddars, I keep overshooting! Easy, aim, and fire!
Well. Sammy, what is going on here? Why is this place a mess?
Sue, please don't be mad. I was practicing to win a toy for you in the rifle range.
Oh, that's sweet, but I can show you a way cooler way to do it.
What? Is that even possible?
Sure. We'll make a super duper awesome blaster. Let's go.
And then we'll have the most epic battle!
Hi guys! Today, we're gonna make a really cool blaster! And now comes… Oh, come on! Why is everything wrong today? I need some help.
Phew, I'm here. Sorry. You know, it's not easy to recollect all the blaster parts to prepare the templates.
Oh, well, you did great, Sammy. Thank you. Guys, you should be very careful with sharp tools. Our blaster will look exactly like a real Nerf gun.
I wish. Otherwise, we won't have our battle of the era.
Don't worry, the battle will take place for sure. We need to do it like this.
I've already started practicing my close combat skills, just in case. Yay! I mean, oh.
Well, I hope we won't need your close combat skills. There you go. Guys, did you know that Sam is a karate slime? I can't win here.
Sue, are you sure that we don't need this part at all?
Of course! Look, this already looks like the blaster.
And I prepared the parts for the next stage of our craft. Here they are.
Thanks, Sammy!
Always at your service.
Guys, now we'll make the trigger and the blast restrictor. Watch closely, because it's a very important part of today's craft. What? A magnifying glass? Are you playing detective again?
You told us to watch closely, so I'm all set.
Oh, anything interesting so far?
I see that we have a lot of dust, Susan. It's time to do some cleaning.
Okay, then let's do it after the battle. Or better, let's make the loser do the cleaning. By the way, it's great that you found this piece.
Sue, we need a skewer for the mechanism.
You're right, Sammy. We'll insert it right now, like that. Now we need to insert the trigger into the template.
Be careful. Don't damage it.
It came out great. For now, everything is going as it should.
Sue, we totally forgot about the restrictor.
No, Sammy, we didn't. We'll get to it right now. We'll apply a drop of glue, but not too much. And here goes our restrictor.
So far, it's no different from our other blasters that failed. How do we fix it?
Well, first we'll add some more volume to it. Watch me.
Are you gonna draw the blaster with glue?
Of course not. We'll glue just a few more cardboard templates from this side and from the other. Huh? Done.
Now I'm the one and only blaster master! Give up, Sue! Hey, why is the trigger not working? Is it broken?
Actually, it's simply not done yet, Sam. So that the trigger comes back to its place after each shot, we need to secure it with a rubber band. See? So you just rushed a bit with your conquer operation.
I give up, Sue. I won't cheat ever again.
Now we need a few cylinder parts like these.
Wow, Susie, you've learned new tricks!
Yep, Sammy. Here comes another one.
Sue, could you explain why we need cylinders of different sizes?
Yeah, one goes here right above the restrictor. And the widest cylinder goes right here to the blaster's magazine spot.
I had to sacrifice my favorite water blaster to make this part. I hope it fits.
Let's see. It should be able to compress from this end. Hop, hop, it works!
Of course, 'cause I made it.
Now we'll need this plastic piece with rubber band. So elastic. We'll put it on the tube just like this. Don't rush though. Do it carefully.
So, I jumped on the bat and it suddenly threw this spring at me. It almost killed me.
Oh, well, Sammy, I guess I'll have to buy a new mattress.
Phew. I thought you'd be mad at me. I subscribe to our channel so Sue won't ever be mad.
Sammy, it's okay, I'm not mad. Oh, by the way, where are our missiles?
Here's the first bunch. Fluffy plays with others for now.
Okay, then we can use the ones we have. There you go. They're in.
Yay! We'll do some shooting soon.
And here's the spot where we used the smallest cylinder. So let's test it. Who broke the bed? Oops, what's going on? Oh no!
Sue, how's it going there? Is it working?
I guess we need to upgrade the mechanism. What do you think, Sammy?
I don't know. Why did it fail? Maybe it's because I wasn't around.
Sammy, you're too self-assured as always.
Come with me, Sue. I found the solution.
Not fast. Okay, we'll come back in a sec. Guys, we're back. During our absence, we thought through the mechanism and made our blaster even more voluminous and sturdier.
We'll need 2 pairs of caps glued together for the shooting mechanism.
And 2 small DC motors. We use them a lot in our crafts. Extra fast assembling! Woo! Done!
How do you like my look, Sue?
Sammy, you look good, but I like the mustacheless slime better. And the motor goes here.
And what's this? What if I push? What if something terrible happens?
Now we'll secure it on the blaster like this.
Sue, tell me that this button is not made to start the alien invasion or something scarier.
Of course not, Sammy. What are you so afraid of? This button is to launch the motors, see? Let's make it work. Let's solder the wires to the motor in the first place. Be careful with the soldering iron, guys.
My imagination really got wild.
It happens, Sammy.
Guys, ask an adult to help you with this soldering.
By the way, Sammy, the button won't work just like that.
Let me guess, we need a power bank, right?
Correct. Guys, we solder the wires in advance, and now let's connect them to the battery, which we'll place right here. Next, we'll connect the red and green wire like this. And then the yellow and the black one. There you go. So let's test it out. I hope everything works as it should.
So, Sue, any progress? Whoa, it's working! The distance and the angle are great! Way to go!
Now we need to make our blaster look like a real Nerf one. For this, we'll need a sturdy body from cardboard.
Sturdy and beautiful. Both are important, Susie.
Oh, totally agree. Can you deal with the decorative part, Sammy, while I carefully cut out these pieces?
Sure, I'll just help you to finish the blaster. What's next?
Maybe you can help come up with a design. This will defo help.
Yes, the right guy, Susan.
And I fully trust you, Sammy. Voila!
The craft police are here! Why are the wires all exposed, huh?
Sam, I guess you got carried away and forgot about the main task.
This task is quite important too, Miss Susan. This wire situation is totally unacceptable! What if someone trips and falls down? What if it's me? Outrageous!
You're right. We have to take care of safety. I'll manage the cardboard then.
You don't have to. I'll do it myself. Just, give me a minute.
The clock is set, Sammy. And in the meantime, I'll work on the body of the blaster. We'll fold it according to the lines. Carefully.
See, I managed everything even faster than a minute.
Great, Sam. I never doubted you. Let's add some glue here. Don't spare it. We need to cover the whole surface.
Guys, be careful with the hot glue. Better ask an adult to help.
Right you are, Sammy. Safety always goes first.
By the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button.
Now we'll secure the body from the top. Done. And now it's time for the makeover. Meet Sammy the decorator.
Thank you for the introduction, Susie. I'm ready to do my part of the work. Close your eyes.
Uh-huh.
Ta-da!
Wow, what a cool blaster we've got!
That's not all, miss.
Oh,
Now it is complete.
whoa, it's an awesome design, Sammy. Let's have a closer look. It looks awesome in here, Sam. So shall we start?
Sure, like to win that toy.
Here we go.
Oh, shoot. Let me help you. Together we'll manage it.
Oh, great idea, Sammy.
Woohoo! Susie, we did it! Now you can choose any prize you want.
Which should I get? Oh, I'll choose this doggy. It reminds me of someone.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Guys, this was so cool. If you liked it too, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See ya. Bye-bye.
Sue, don't wait for me. I'm gonna shoot some more. Bye, guys.